Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, back again with another electric smoker recipe idea. So this right here, these are chicken thighs that are, that's a pretty cheap piece of chicken that you can get in most any grocery store. So I've got chicken thighs, and I've wrapped all but these three. I wrapped the rest of them in bacon, thick cut bacon, so you can see that. And then I coated them with this barbecue salt that I use, and you can find it linked within this video's description. And then also the skewer like I use. You can see I've got them all skewered together. So I'm going to put these in the Pit Boss electric smoker, and this is just such a great meal because you can enjoy the chicken by itself. You can cook a bunch of it like I'm doing here, and one day you could do chicken salad. Another day you could do chicken quesadillas. You know, smoked chicken thighs are so versatile. I mean, you can do so much with them. So I just wanted to share very simple. I use some garlic powder. I use this barbecue salt, a special kind of barbecue salt like you can find linked within this video's description. I wrapped in bacon, and I skewered them together. Tell me what you think. Look at that. Of course, it's raw right now, but stay tuned for my video where I show you the finished product.